The clerk of Edo State House of Assembly, Alhaji Adu Yahaya Omogbai, on Friday, 16 June 2023, do inaugurate the Speaker and the Deputy into the 8th House of Assembly. The 24 members were present for the inauguration into the Edo State House of Assembly swear the oath of allegiance and acceptance of office to show their commitment. Before the inauguration of the members of the House of Assembly, Honorable Blessing Agbebaku can come out as the elected Speaker of the Edo State 8th House of Assembly. Honorable Natasha Osawa, member representing Edeko constituency, moved the motion for the election, while Honorable Imaku Ade, member representing Esa North East 1, second the motion. Honorable Miriam Edeko can come out as elected Deputy Speaker of the House, where Honorable Destiny Enabule, member representing Ovia South West constituency, moved the motion for her election, where Conde seconded by Honorable Abdul Akoha representing Isako West 2. For your acceptance speech, the Speaker of the House, Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, contrary salute give the House for electing him and can promise to serve the people and fulfill all in promises when he dey campaign. He can assure the House that the members go play their role for the development of Edo State.
I think the state governor Godwin Obaseki, our great party, PDP, and all who have contributed, no matter how great or small, with my emergence today. I will not take these positions for granted. I promise to carry all honorable members along, irrespective of the political affiliation, because together we can make Edo great again. In line with the current trend in the state, I commend the Speaker and members of the 7th Assembly. I also appeal to staff of Edo State House of Assembly, ably led by the clerk Alhaji Yahaya Awudu Omogbai, to give this 8th Assembly the needed support to enable us achieve our lofty goals of great people-oriented peace and resolution that would engender socio-economic betterment of the populace. Let me assure the people of the state that we as a state of assembly will put them first in our functions and oversight, as the people are the reason for our being here as lawmakers. We will do our best to help in the development of all sectors of the state economy for the betterment of the people. Let me assure you, my colleagues, that as a team and with your support, we will introduce far-reaching programs and innovations to put the 8th Assembly on a good, sound footing.
The Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, former Speaker House of Assembly Marcus Onobu, and other Omoge people turned up for the inauguration. Some of the elected members will talk to TMC TV to read people can talk on how them feel as them inaugurate them enter the 8th House of Assembly.
We're excited, and you can see the atmosphere was calm compared to previous 7th Assembly. We are 24 in numbers. All the members were present. They all speak in one voice. We know that this 8th House of Assembly is going to be a very robust one.
Everything go well. Everything go well. That's why I see Edo go better. The next plan of action is to see how I go take carry the promises where I tell my people for my constituency. Now that one be my next plan.
A great day for democracy. A day where we did very happy about. Say they don't inaugurate us. We don't take the oath of office. And we don't all swear and commit, say we're ready to serve the good people of Edo State. So we are excited about it. And we did ready to serve Edo people.
You know, during our campaign, I promised a lot of things where I will do for our people. And with the kind of support where they give us, where they give me, also give our party for election, where I take the year today. So we'll not get any risk to disappoint them. So we'll keep to all our promises. I'll keep to my promise what I make to my people and make them expect effective representation. We go translate to better things for our constituency. We want the.
You know, all this why the story not too good for that my Esako is because the story, you know, I'm even better past me. But today, you see everybody there here and we're happy. We're happy because all of us complete now. We dey happy because we go wan make law wey go good for our people as e concern health matter, as e concern infrastructure matter, as e concern education matter, and as e concern everybody for this state and how e go better for the state. So that's why you see everybody, all of us dey happy. 24 of us, and this event today for this inauguration, everybody come here, everybody see am. And na for koro hide we do am. So I'm sure that that one alone go send a signal say these people won't work for their people.
The matter don't reach ground. They don't carry the paper they don't give us. Now make we go outside, begin make sure say the dividends and the enjoyment we dey for democracy go reach every one of our people. Because now God dey give person power, and God will give person power go still give am wisdom wey go take rule the people wey place under am. Una do well o.
Now the work starts. As they don't elect us, they don't swear us in. So we go put hand together, we will make this country and the state better for everybody, so that everybody go dey happy. They know they suffer again. Go die suffer come out for those state pata. Make security come back to our people. Then make laws when they friendly with the people. That will be our objective for this house.
I'm very happy for the inauguration for 8th Assembly. So everything go well, we thank God. But our major priority now is Edo people, not be ourselves, to represent our constituency. Because our waiting we promise and our waiting we will deliver to them. So by God's grace, we will live up to expectation.
Beautiful work of democracy. We dey very happy say all the 24 members wey they elect for Edo State, all of us come as a family, make them come swear us in, and they don't do them. The next thing now is how to bring development to Edo people, how to make Edo people happy, because all the laws we go make sure say their life dey secure, we go make sure say food dey their table, we go make sure say children go school well, we go make sure say who dey work dey receive the salary as they receive now, we go make sure say who no get work go also get work, because we go create more industry, we go make sure say our road go dey more accessible and water go dey for the people. We go pursue, join hand with government, make sure say all of them dey available and everybody dey enjoy life as e suppose be, so that we go dey look longevity and prosperity.
The former Speaker of the House of Assembly, Honorable Marcus Nambu, contacted them no say Edo State dey in good hands.
I happy well, because some time ago I come as Speaker, and for us it was a turbulent takeoff. Today you see everywhere they glorious that successfully we hand over, give another person, make it start, take off from where we stop. So I did very happy, and if you look at the faces of everybody, you go see everybody they happy. So we dey expect a better Edo.
The House of Assembly, they don't inaugurate them, they don't start. As they take start, so all of the day united, they vote the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker, they don't get different voices. If they work like that, Edo State go better.
Honorable Kingsley Hugabi, representing Isako East, come and join the House sitting till Monday 19 June 2023, where Conde seconded by Honorable Uyo Mosigo, member representing Oredo East. From Edo State House of Assembly, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.